In this video, let's explore Analyst Agent available within Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, Analyst Agent is an agent which is available out of the box in M365 Copilot. If you want to access this agent, you need to have a proper M365 Copilot license. Now, what is an Analyst Agent? Analyst Agent basically can summarize the data, generate charts, and interpret trends. It basically performs an analysis on your data. Now, the data can be in a document format, it can be in a text format, it can be in an image format. Now, basically, it's a smart assistant that interprets and summarizes your data. Think of it like a skilled analyst that basically helps you get your insights quickly from a pure raw data. It converts the data into information. It will help you summarize the information that will help in decision making. The analyst agent has an ability to run Python code for advanced data queries, and it renders the code in real time as well. Analyst agent uses data that you're authorized to access only. It will not access any other data for which you don't have any access to. It saves time by analyzing and visualizing the complex data sets that will help you make informed decisions with clear summaries and charts. It can connect to multiple data sources across Microsoft 365 files you have recently worked with. So it's all about summarizing the data, generating visuals. It scans Excel sheets, Word documents, Power BI dashboards to get meaningful insights out of it. Now, Analyst Agent, this is how the screen will look like at the start once you access the Analyst Agent. So instead of open, you will see an add button because you may not have installed that agent. So first you need to install that agent by clicking on add into your tenant. Then you can open the agent, and once you open the agent, you will be presented with these kind of screens, and you can start asking information. Like in this example, I asked Copilot to analyze the image content and give details. So I had this just a simple image, which I just got it from the net. I just sent it to Copilot and said, analyze this image content and give details. And then Copilot reasoned for 42 seconds and then gave me some information. So I'll show you this example as well, but I'll take another example for this particular demonstration. So let's jump into Analyst Agent. So, okay, coming here, uh, let me close this. Let me show you from start. Like if you navigate to m365.cloud.microsoft, here on the left hand pane, you will see Analyst Agent. But if you don't see, click on All Agents and you will be able to see under your agents. If you can't see over there, go to Build by Microsoft, click on See More, and you should be able to see Analyst Agent somewhere over here. Now, Analyst Agent is by default available, so you click on Analyst Agent. Now, here in Analyst Agent, this is the interface. Now, if you want to see what all things we have done previously, you can see the history area. So I have asked this question on the Jan 17th, 2026. Here you can type in the prompt. Here you can put a supporting content, adding a content. You can see the history, what all things, and you have asked, and also what are the recommendations which it provides. Like what are the trends you see in the uploaded files, which variables are correlated, what are some quick insights about the data from the uploaded file. So we are going to use this. I'll just we're going to use this. Uh, I'm just giving you some heads up. Like these are the ways through which you can see those recommendations. Because if you are using this agent for the first time, you should know what are the rules for this agent, what output does this agent generate, so on and so forth. And alternatively, you can use mic as well. So start the dictation. There are a couple of other things. You can view the recent page, schedule prompts, and perform a setting, like view the settings for this particular agent. Also, if you click on this agent navigation, here you can see all the history for that specific agent as well. Right. So ask analysts to analyze your data and generate insights. So what are the different prompts which are available? So you can analyze the data. So what are the trends you see in the uploaded files? So if I click on this, it says It will pick up that prompt that says, what are the trends you see in the uploaded files? Which variables are correlated and how much can you visualize this correlation? Maybe if that's too technical, let's go into the other one. It says, what are some quick insights about the data from the uploaded file? Or maybe create a table with volume of planets and add a column to show volume as multiple of Earth and row to show the sum compares to the volume of Sun. So this is like you're generally asking the LLM, so you're not inputting your data. But over here, if you see, it says, what are the trends you see in the uploaded file? Which variables are correlated and how can you visualize this correlation? So like that, I can put in various prompts. So let me give you an example. So what I've done is I have downloaded a document from Microsoft site. So this document, which I'm going to show you, is basically an annual report for Microsoft 2025. So it's a Word document and it has some information. Now, I honestly don't have time to read all this content, and it's a big document. So what I'm going to do, I'll ask Copilot to summarize it, right? So let's see how the analyst agent works on this. So let me remove all the content over here. I am too lazy to write a prompt. I'll just click on add a content and then it will, like if I just hover the mouse over here, add a content, I get to see add work content, upload image and file, attach the cloud files. And if I just hover my mouse, it will give you some recommendations. So I say, what are some quick insights about the data from the uploaded file? So I'll just click on this and it will take the prompt. Now I need to upload the file. So add work content, upload images and files. So let me upload images and file from my local drive. So under the download folder, I already have an annual report. So let me click on open. So once you upload the file, you will see the file listed over here. So uploading from device will send a copy to OneDrive, work or school, because agent will process through work through OneDrive. So all good, and it will start uploading. And then once the upload is completed, you will see this active button. So I'll just click on send, and now it will start processing. Now we'll not wait for this agent to process because this agent sometimes might take a while to process this information. But then the good part is it will not keep you waiting. It will show you the exact steps what it has undertaken, processed it. So like if you see, it says working on generating the response. So it will start parsing the information. It will open the document. It will inspect the content. It will do a coding and executing. If you want to know more, you can just explore. So it will exactly show you what all things it did. You can see the Python code over here. You can see the considering the report length, coding and executing. Again, some Python code it runs, and it scans for financial pattern, coding and executing, scanning for relevant details, and it performs all these operations. It will also show you, it is not just a magic, like it just gives you an output back. It will exactly show you what all things it did. It will give you a nice log or audit information about the process it has undertaken. Now it scans for the relevant detail, and maybe some analyst agent, depending on the prompt which you have typed, depending on the content which you have attached, it might take somewhere in the range of 1 minute to maybe 10-12 minutes, and then you will be able to get the output. But I think this one is pretty fast because this document was not that heavy. So it is starting to perform some other high level summary, looking for highlights, exploring further details, and uh, summarizing the revenue growth, and so on and so forth, right? So what we can do is like let it generate this output. Let me go into another instance and I will show you under analyst over here. I have executed this code previously for one of the image. So I'll just click on it, and I'll go into analyze this image content. Now this prompt I did it previously, so I'll show you what output it has generated till the time our first Copilot prompt gets executed. Now, in this prompt, I have just downloaded the simple image from Google, and I asked Copilot to analyze this image content and give details. So it gave me the detail like this image is a Microsoft revenue breakdown for quarter 1 to 3, and it gives me the detailed analysis. Okay. And this is not like a Word document or PDF document. This is like a simple image document, and it has given me some information. Now, Copilot interacted with me and said, do you want me to create a visual trend analysis or a line chart? I said, okay, show me the visual trend analysis. It did some operation for 35 seconds and gave me a nice visual trend analysis, which I can copy or I can download. Now it has given me the key insights from the chart. Now I'm not focusing on the content in this particular exercise, but I'm showing you the capability of this particular agent. And then it will provide you further insights as well. But I didn't interact much with this agent. I just left it over there. Now, coming back to the previous agent, which we were working on, now it is still doing some action. So, as you see, it is preparing quick insights. So, this agent might take some more time, I believe. So, in the meantime, again, going to m365.copilot, m365.cloud.microsoft, on under this analyst agent on the left rail, what you can do, you can share this agent, but you cannot uninstall this agent, unlike other agent. Like I have this learning coach agent, I can share, I can uninstall, but analyst agent, it is by default available. You cannot uninstall it. You can share this agent though. Also, if I go into all agents and go into your agent here, I have an option over here to view the about and share. So if I click on about, it'll give you some information about what does this agent do, what permission this agent need to have, do you require a license, it performs complex data analysis, and it works across Microsoft 365. So it will give you those information. Now, as I mentioned to you, if I want to see what all conversation I had with this analyst agent, you just need to click on the analyst over here in the navigation header, or you can view the history. Now, earlier when I started this conversation, I just had one history. Now it has come up with another history. So it says, what are some quick insight of the data? So it says last updated today. And now from here, you can navigate to that specific conversation as well. So it will start opening the same thing which I just opened in the first tab. So it is still working on it. It is trying to get me some more information about it. So let it process. In the meantime, I'll show you the history. Now, if you go into the history, you can actually see you uploaded this document. You ask this prompt, analyst agent process this, and it gave you the steps. It's given you the quick insights from the annual report, and then uh, it is still processing further on this. Now, what are the other things which you can do? So click on sources. Now it will show you what all sources it has referred. Now you have explicitly asked Copilot to look into the local source or the document which you have provided. So it has just looked into that document. You have an option to copy the response. You can say like or dislike the response, and you can save this to the pages. So what happens with these pages is like you can create multiple pages, you can store it in a notebook, or you can read aloud the content. Now, I think the Copilot has finished processing. So what we asked what are some of the quick insight from the data for the uploaded file. It has given me the uh, Python code. So as you see over here, it has given me the Python code. It has processed the information, and then further it asked me to get into all this details. So as you see, it has reasoned for almost 93 seconds. And then I can say show revenue growth by segment as a chart. And then I'll click next. And then it will start working on generating the response. So uh, it will start generating the revenue growth by segment because it has identified some of the component within the document as a revenue growth data. So it will start preparing the chart, it will start passing the segments, it will generate the bar chart. Now, if you want to see the document, what the document has, like I'll show you the document. So this is the document, and the document has basically text-based information, something on tabular format over here. So it does not have a specific graph or a visualization or a chart. As you see, it is a plain document with some text with some numbers arranged in a tabular format. So this Copilot is gonna prepare the chart for me. So if I want a visual information, if I I'm a visual person. I want to see the comparison now. So I can see the comparison of the revenue growth by segment F25 2024, and then I can see this chart. I have an option to perform a copy, download this chart, and then it has provided me some key observations like the cloud domination, strong performance, moderate growth, lagging segment, and then it has asked me to add Azure's 35% growth as a separate highlight. So then I went ahead and said that, oh, why don't you create a pie chart showing each segment share of total revenue? And then after typing in the prompt, I said show pie chart of segment revenue shares, and then it has started processing those information. So it might take some time to generate the pie chart, but then you got the gist of it. Like this agent is basically used to analyze the information, whether the information can be in an image, document, or any text form. In the backend, it uses a deep reasoning model basically to go inside the information, connect all the dots, give you the most insightful information so that you can take the decision for your organization. So that's it, folks. This is all about Analyst Agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot.